Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 56. Gada. Gada. The word gada is a root verb or an action word which means to go. The word gada could be divided into two syllables. Gada. Ga is formed from the combination of the sounds of kiak and a, while da is formed from the combination of the sounds of dikat and a. Gada. Let's use gada in a sentence. 저는 오늘 집에 가요. This sentence means, today I will go home. 저, the subject of the sentence, means I. 는 is considered the subject particle to the subject noun, 저. The rule for subject particles is that if the subject ending is vowel, we will use nun. If the subject ending is consonant, we will use un. And for the case of 저, its ending is a vowel. Therefore, we will use nun. The word 오늘 means today. 집에 means home. And 가요, our word for today, means to go. But our word for today is gada. How did it turn into gayo? Gada is considered a root verb. And if we are going to use this in a sentence as a present tense verb, we have to transform it. The first step is to remove the da at the ending of gada, and we replace da with yo. Since the ending letter of ga, the remnant of the root verb, ends with a, we can add yo. And the rule is, if the last letter of the remnant of the verb is not a or o, we need to add oyo. But if the last letter of the verb is a or o, we can add ayo. But for this case, the remnant verb is ga, and its ending is a. Therefore, we can add yo. Therefore, gayo is the present tense verb. And therefore, the meaning of the sentence 저는 오늘 집에 가요 is simply, today I will go home. And with that, you just learned gada. Now let's proceed to the previous 10 words recap. As of now, the previous 10 words are words number 46 to 55. But don't forget, our word for today is gada. This is a verb which means to go. Word number 55 is 뭐예요, which means what is it? Word number 54 is 이름. This is the Korean noun for name. Word number 53 is 만나다. This is a verb which means to meet. Word number 52 is 아침, and this is the Korean noun for morning. Word number 51 is 수고하세요, which means keep up the good work. Word number 50 is 천만에요, which means you are welcome. Word number 49 is 없어요, which means I don't have or there isn't in a formal manner. Word number 48 is 있어요, which is used to say I have or there is in a formal manner. Word number 47 is 정말. This is an adverb of manner, which means really or very much. And word number 46, 미안해, is an informal way of saying I'm sorry. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.